Properties of real numbers. After discussing the real numbers with you, now suppose that these a and b, these are two real numbers, and their sum is written as a plus b, and their product as ab, or a multiplied by b, or a dot b, or you can say like this. So the product of the two real numbers can be written like this: a without any operational sign, ab, or a cross b, or a multiplied by b, or a dot b. This dot also stands for multiplication, or if there is no sign in between these two brackets, that it means that they are a will be multiplied by b. So these are the some properties of real numbers. First of all, with respect to addition and multiplication. So first of all, properties of real numbers under addition. You see, number one, very important property, this is closure property. Once you understand the theme for these properties, you will easily handle these closure property. Suppose there are two real numbers a and b. So if I add a plus b, then again it will be the resultant number will again belongs to R. So this means that the real number stay within the real number. That this property is called as a closure property. This sign stands for all, for all, unique, for all ab, for all ab, for all ab, for every real number ab that belongs to R. Now this is example. If minus 3 and 5, these two numbers, suppose that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5, they both belongs to real numbers. If I add these two numbers, minus 3 plus 5, it will be 2. This 2 is again belongs to a real number. So this property is called a closure property. Next I move on to the commutative property. This is the equation for this commutative property, the a plus b. If I change the order, if I put b first and a in the second place, then b plus a, for all ab belongs to all. If 2 and 3 belongs to R, suppose that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. So if I perform 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, if I perform here 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 like this, so answer will be the same. So it means that the real numbers also hold the property of a commutative property, hold the commutative property with respect to addition. These are the properties with respect to addition. Now associative property. In this property, a third number is also involved. So a small bracket within the first two numbers, or the small bracket within the last two numbers. You see here, if I change the order of these small brackets, let 5, 7 and 3, that a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 3. These three numbers belongs to R. Then according to this equation, I put the values as a is equal to 5, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 3, a is equal to 5 and b. So it will, here you see the answer will remain the same. So it means that associative property of real numbers hold with respect to addition. Additive identity. What does it mean? It means if I add 0 into, it will give you 2, or 0 plus 2, it will again give you this 2. So this 0, see this 0, then there exists a unique number which result in the same answer. If I add a 0 in any real number, it will give you the same real number. So there exists a unique real number 0, and this 0 is called the additive identity. Number 5th property is additive inverse. For every a belongs to R, for every a belongs to R, there exists a unique such number, a unique real number called the additive inverse of a, such that if I add plus 2, if I add plus 2, it will give you this 0 identity. Or if I add minus 2 plus 2, it will give you the same result. So additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. So additive inverse of 3 is minus 3, since 3 plus minus 3 is equal to 0, or minus 3 plus 3 is again equal to 0. So additive inverse of 2 will be minus 2. Additive inverse of minus 4 is equal to 4. So today I discuss with you the properties of real numbers with respect to addition. Go through these and write these properties on your rough registers. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.